Yo, you guys, I drove to this not so lit area just to be able to watch the rocket launch. And I'm trying to open up the sensor as much as I can, but it looks like it's getting very, very blurry. Up, oh, it's going at an angle. Zooming out. I wonder when it's gonna hit the atmosphere and then it'll make like that weird shape. Oh, it's gone. We should be expecting a weird light. Oh, it's up there again. Man, what? It looks so much better in person. That is nuts. No way. Wow, look how big that got. This is happening over in Vandenberg or something like that. I mean, I'm gonna open up the sensor more and you can see how wide this beam of light has gotten already. Hey look, the pod is coming down, way down there. It's coming down and it disappeared.